Looking for the best cutting board set for your kitchen in today's video? We're counting down the top 5 cutting board sets of 2026, including bamboo, non-toxic, and premium titanium options. These cutting boards are durable, knife-friendly, easy to clean, and perfect for every kitchen. Make sure to watch until the end because the number 1 pick might surprise you. Starting at number 5, we have the titanium cutting board. The Sums Titanium Cutting Board is a modern kitchen tool designed for safer and cleaner food preparation. This double-sided cutting board combines 99.9% pure titanium with durable PP material, making it ideal for both raw meat and fresh vegetables. One side is specially designed for cutting raw and cooked meat, while the PP side is perfect for fruits and vegetables, helping prevent cross-contamination in the kitchen. Unlike traditional wooden or plastic boards, this titanium cutting board is non-porous and odor-resistant, meaning it won't absorb food smells, stains, or bacteria easily. The board also features a built-in juice groove that can hold liquids without spilling, keeping countertops clean during cooking. A garlic and ginger grinding area adds extra convenience and saves preparation time. The large 15-inch x 10.3-inch size provides enough space for everyday meal prep, while the non-stick surface makes cleaning simple with just water. Its lightweight design and hanging hole allow easy storage and carrying. With durable construction, hygienic materials, and practical features, the Sums Titanium Cutting Board is a great choice for modern kitchens and healthy cooking. Coming at number 4 is the modern Snowclad Stainless Steel Cutting Board. The Snowclad Stainless Steel Cutting Board is a durable and versatile kitchen tool designed for safer and cleaner food preparation. This double-sided cutting board combines stainless steel and wheat straw PP material, making it suitable for cutting meat, vegetables, fruits, bread, and cheese. The stainless steel side is ideal for raw meat, while the wheat straw PP side works perfectly for fresh produce, helping reduce cross-contamination during cooking. One of the standout features of this cutting board is its non-porous surface, which resists absorbing odors, stains, and food residue. Unlike traditional wooden boards, it stays more hygienic and easier to maintain. The built-in juice groove helps catch liquids from meat or fruits, preventing messy spills on kitchen counters. It also includes a sturdy stainless steel handle for a secure grip and convenient hanging storage. Measuring 16 x 11 inches, the board offers a large cutting surface for daily meal preparation. It is lightweight, dishwasher safe, and easy to clean with soap and water. With its durable construction, modern design, and hygienic materials, the Snowclad Stainless Steel Cutting Board is an excellent choice for busy kitchens and healthy cooking. Coming in at number 3, the Gorilla Cutting Board. The Gorilla Grip BPA-free cutting board set is a durable and practical kitchen essential designed for everyday food preparation. This set includes 3 reversible cutting boards in different sizes, making them perfect for cutting meat, vegetables, fruits, cheese, and more. Made from strong BPA-free plastic, the boards feature a non-porous surface that resists splintering, peeling, stains, and odor absorption, offering a cleaner and safer cooking experience. One of the standout features is the deep juice grooves that help catch liquids from meat, fruits, or vegetables, keeping kitchen countertops clean and mess-free. The boards also include slip-resistant rubber borders and easy grip handles, providing better stability while chopping and slicing. Unlike wooden or bamboo boards, these cutting boards are dishwasher safe and require no oiling or special maintenance. The set comes with 3 convenient sizes, including a large board for heavy meal prep and smaller boards for quick cutting tasks. Lightweight yet sturdy, the boards are designed to handle daily kitchen use without wearing down easily. With their food-safe materials, durable construction, and easy cleaning, the Gorilla Grip Cutting Board set is an excellent choice for home cooks and professional kitchens alike. At number 2, we have the Smurley Wooden Cutting Boards. The Smurley Bamboo Cutting Board set is a stylish and practical kitchen essential designed for meal preparation, serving, and everyday cooking. Made from high-quality natural bamboo, this eco-friendly cutting board set combines durability with elegant design, making it a perfect addition to modern kitchens. The set includes 3 versatile cutting boards, along with a convenient holder that keeps the boards organized and easy to access. These bamboo cutting boards are designed for cutting meat, fruits, vegetables, cheese, and more. Their non-slip and reversible design provides better stability and flexibility while cooking. The boards also feature built-in juice grooves that help catch liquids from meats or fruits, reducing countertop mess during meal prep. Unlike many traditional wooden boards, the Smurley bamboo boards resist odors, stains, bending, and warping, ensuring long-lasting performance. Another great feature is the smooth, ergonomic handles, which make carrying and serving easy and comfortable. The boards are easy to clean with a damp cloth and maintain their elegant appearance over time. Combining functionality, durability, and eco-friendly materials, the Smurley bamboo cutting board set is an excellent choice for home cooks who want both convenience and style in their kitchen. Finally, our number one pick is the Royal Craft Wood. The Royal Craft Wood Premium Foldable Bathtub Tray Caddy is a luxury bathroom accessory designed to create a relaxing spa experience at home. Made from high-quality natural bamboo, this expandable bathtub tray combines elegance, convenience, and durability, making bath time more comfortable and enjoyable. Its adjustable design expands from 29.5 inches to 43 inches, allowing it to fit most standard bathtubs securely. This bamboo bath tray is designed to hold all your relaxation essentials in one place. It features dedicated slots for a wine glass, phone or tablet, book, candles, bath oils, and other accessories, helping users enjoy a peaceful and organized bath experience. The tray also includes removable spa trays for extra storage and slip-resistant silicone grips to keep the caddy stable during use. Crafted from sustainable bamboo wood with a waterproof protective coating, the tray resists moisture, cracking, and water damage for long-lasting performance. Its foldable design makes storage easy, especially for homes with limited space. Stylish, functional, and easy to store, the Royal Craft Wood Bathtub Tray Caddy is a perfect gift for birthdays, Mother's Day, housewarming occasions, or anyone who enjoys relaxing self-care moments at home. Your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and check out our other kitchen gadget videos for more amazing products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.